In this video, we want to talk to you about the Janome 3160QOV, and the QOV stands for Quilts of Valor. Janome has partnered with the Quilts of Valor Foundation. The Quilts of Valor organization is an organization that covers all types of service members and veterans from all branches of our military service that's been touched by war with comforting and healing Quilts of Valor. I've spoken to many of the members over the years. It's a great organization, and Janome does partner with them and donate for every machine that's sold. The 3160 will give you 60 of the most popular stitches built in. It's got straight stitch, zigzag, stretch straight stitches, overcasting. It'll have several quilting stitches like applique, the old-timey feather stitch, briar stitches built in. This particular machine has other decorative stitches built in, and then you also get the one-step buttonholes that are built in on it. Let's give you a good overview of the computer controls on this machine. On the front of my machine, I will have built in several nice features. Number one is the scissor. I can touch a button and the machine will snip the bobbin and the top thread for me, automatically doing that. There's so many times I've had customers tell me I wished I had a machine that has a scissor. They're upgrading to a machine that has a scissor. Definitely great value there. It does have the needle up, needle down feature, so I can set the machine when I hit the button to stop needle in the fabric. I also can have it stop needle out of the fabric. There's times you want to do both. It has the overlock feature that if I hit this button, it's going to tie the stitch off for me underneath, so that back tack is hidden and out of the way. Of course, I do have the traditional reverse here. You can use the 3160 QOV with or without the foot control. Hit my start stop button, or I can also use my foot control. Makes it really nice if I want to go either way. On the 3160, it's very easy to thread this machine. It does have the top winding bobbin here. My path to my needle is channeled, so all I have to do is follow my channel. When I get down to my needle, I do have a built-in needle threader to thread that needle for me. I have the top drop-in bobbin on this particular machine. I can see my bobbin at any given time, and it's very easy. The threading on it is channeled as well. Now also on the needle plate, it's a little bit larger needle plate than most machines. It's got several markings with measurements built into it to help you get a seam allowance. I do have a place that I can screw in a metal seam guide or other attachments. They're on the market to do that. The machine does have adjustable pressure here, so I can regulate the amount of force being pressed down onto my presser foot. I will have the removable accessory tray, and this tray opens toward me so I can easily see all of my accessories, get what I need, and go back. We'll have the drop feed lever that's located on the back side here. If you'll notice under my presser foot, I've got extra high lift under my presser foot, so I can work with those thicker materials. There is a 7-point feed dog system on this particular machine, so literally there are 7 places my feed dogs are touching my fabric, really helping feed through without puckering. Lighter weight items, when you get to heavier materials, more surface area makes it easier for the machine to feed those through. From my needle to the inside of the sewing arm is going to be 6.5 inches, so I can roll up that finished product. Now the 3160 QOV is going to come with a few bonus items. One, you're going to get the 5-piece quilting kit. Now this particular kit gives me the walking foot, the open toe foot, the 1/4-inch foot. You do get the metal seam guide that you can screw into the needle plate. It's got the free motion foot, and for the walking foot it has the quilt bar. You're going to get that. There is a hard cover made out of the same material that the outer housing is made out of, as well as this extension table that's made as well out of the same material the outer housing is made out of. It's made to fit right around our sewing arm here. And because this is a special machine that Janome has made for the Quilts of Valor organization, you will get the special Quilts of Valor pin. You'll find that the 3160 series is a very high quality machine at a great affordable price. The motors in these machines are a little bit larger, and having the feed dog system and the top drop-in bobbin, it can handle feeding through things and sewing very easily, things like 8 layers of denim. Notice how I have the extra high lift under the presser foot. So here I'm just going to sew a straight stitch and go just at a medium speed. Can crawl from thick materials down to lighter weight material. The machine will not jam. I don't have to worry about that. There's not going to be any puckering here as well. Then I can hit that auto lock feature and it ties the stitch off for me. hit my scissor, and it snipped that bobbin and top thread for me. The back tack is hidden nice and neat underneath. I went through 8 layers of denim to a stretchy material with no problem whatsoever. Ken Sewing Center has been an authorized Janome dealer for the past 50 years. We carry just about every model Janome makes. We can help you with any accessory that you need for the machine. We can help you operate the machine no matter where you're located at. You can call us, and we have people that can help you on the phone. If you're in the Muscle Shoals, Alabama area, you can stop by the store anytime. We have several educators that can help you there. Feel free, if you need some more information on this machine, we have more information on the website. Feel free to drop us an email or give us a call anytime.